Ladies, hi, and welcome to the second outfit that was part of our Sunday styling, the navy story. And I must say that this top is probably one of my most favourites this season. So we'll start with the jeans, which are our Angelika 1913s. They have 7% stretch. This is why we all wear them, because they're so comfortable. They're a 7/8 that I've rolled slightly. They're 27 inches long. I'm in a size 12 and they're £66. But the whole gorgeousness of this outfit is the Chanel top, which is from Tinta. Can you see what a flattering cut it is? It comes from the bust line, has the V which takes your eye down. It's navy, which diminishes your size. And then we have the gorgeous detailing in the neckline. The little ruffle there in red, white and blue. It's not online yet. Hopefully once I've got the shop sorted out by the middle of next week, I can get some more articles online. It is Tinta that I'm putting online at the moment, but you can order it by messaging us. I must tell you, ladies, that I'm in an 18. I wouldn't want it any smaller. I think it would pull across the bust. Oh, actually, I might have got into a 16, but we sold my size anyway. So this is from Tinta. It's £70. It's the Chanel top. If your life is incomplete without one of these, message us or ring us on 01760 724948 or drop us an email at sales@artichokecollection.co.uk. Hope you're having a fabulous weekend.